Hey, my name is Jesse. I have good news for you. Instead of paying yearly subscription, we are now offer a one-time payment for our school information management system. Yes, you heard it right. This is a one-time payment only. Ibig sabihin, isang beses lang po magbabayad ang school. Kasama po dito yung mga features natin na enrollment system, register system, finance and collection system. We have also parent portal kung saan makikita nila yung kanilang statement of account, magbabayad sila for online payment, viewing of grades, student login and logout monitoring, and of course, the school announcement. Plus, we have also library system, e-canteen system using RFID and RFID system for security and monitoring inside the campus. For the past 5 years, we observed that the private schools are shifting towards automation. Not just because it's more efficient, but also because DepEd is now requiring the schools to have their own systems. Yet, many schools are still paying expensive yearly subscription, spending hundreds of thousands, even millions of pesos just for their systems yearly. What if I told you that we offer a one-time payment per student? Sounds good deal, di ba? Let's talk about your subscription fee. For example, if you have 500 students and you are paying 1,000 per student per year, that's around 500,000 pesos per year. If a student stays from grade 1 to grade 6, that is around 3 million pesos spent on their system alone. But with our one-time payment program, your school can save up to 2.5 million in just 6 years. That is around 500,000 savings per year. Imagine how much you can save and reinvest in your school with those savings. So, if you're interested, contact us and book a free demo. Let's make your school smarter, more efficient, and more cost-effective. Thank you so much. See you.